Anker's eufyMake UV printer E1 brings 3D texture printing to homes for $1,699 on Kickstarter. Anker Innovation's new creative tool brand, eufyMake, has announced a new device aimed at hobbyists, artists, and small businesses. The newly unveiled UV printer E1 is being positioned as a revolutionary product that merges high-end professional-grade performance with an accessible and compact design tailored for home and studio use. While traditional UV printers have largely been confined to industrial spaces due to their size and cost, eufyMake wants to bring the experience to everyday creators. UV Printer E1 key features. The UV Printer E1 is claimed to be the world's first 3D texture UV printer designed specifically for personal use, capable of printing vibrant, tactile designs on nearly any surface. Powered by advanced 3D technology, it delivers embossed textures up to 5 mm high and combines this with true color accuracy using the Color Maestro system. Whether it's wood, metal, acrylic, glass, or leather, the E1 allows full-color textured prints that are designed to last. With a 330 by 420 mm print bed and support for objects up to 60 mm thick, it can handle flat items and even cylindrical shapes thanks to a rotary printing attachment. eufyMake has prioritized ease of use by including a host of smart features. These include AI-assisted design tools, dual laser-guided auto-positioning, and over 20,000 ready-to-use templates. Its compact 3-in-1 modular design integrates a flatbed, rotary printer, and UV-DTF laminator occupying 90% less space than traditional systems. A jet clean system helps prevent clogging, and certifications from Green Guard, TÜV, and Climate Partner promise safe and sustainable usage. Anker eufyMake price and availability. Pre-orders are live on eufyMake.com, with a $50 deposit securing up to $800 off. The Kickstarter campaign starts April 29, 2025. with the standard bundle priced at $1,899. A limited super early bundle will be available for $1,699, while official website backers can grab it for just $1,499. Bundled accessories include 6 UV ink cartridges and a cleaning cartridge, and optional add-ons include the rotary module and laminating machine. By blending professional results with home-friendly usability, the UV Printer E1 aims to democratize UV printing for creators of all kinds.